Hi guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to simplify fractions or reduce a fraction to its lowest terms. Let's get right into it. Now we have three fractions here, and I'm going to go through them one by one with you. Let's get my pointer up. First, when you are reducing fractions to the lowest terms, it would be great if you could find the highest common factor. The highest common factor is that number that can goes into the highest number that can goes into both numbers without leaving a remainder. Now, in this case, the highest common factor is 12. But there are times when just looking at the number, you may not identify the highest common factor. You can identify a number. So any number that you can identify that can go into the two numbers without leaving a remainder, you can start with that number. In this case, I'm going to use the number 3. 3 into 12 goes 4 times. 3 into 36 goes 12 times. But when I do that, what I will have to do is reduce the number again. Now, the highest common factor here would be 4. 4 into 4 goes 1 time. 4 into 12 goes 3 times. So the answer would be 1 over 3. Similarly, the second one, 42 and 70. You may not looking at this number to identify the highest common factor once. So we will use 2, which we know can go into both numbers. 2 into 42 goes 21. 2 into 70 goes 35. When you look at this number now, you would realize that 70 into 21 goes 3. 70 into 35 goes 5. So the answer that we would get from this would be 3 over 5. And the third and last example, 240 over 480. This is a very large number, but what we realize is that both numbers end with 0. So what we do is cancel each 0. The cancelling of each 0 is really divide with dividing by 10. So when you divide by 10, because any number that ends with 0 can be divided by 10 without leaving a remainder. So that's what you would have you will do. So we cancel the 0 or divide by 10 and reduce that number to a smaller and more manageable number that we can use. Now, another number we know can go into 24 and 48 without leaving a remainder. We know 12 can go into 24 and 48. So 12 into 24 goes 2. 12 into 48 goes 4. So we have 2 over 4. Now this is a smaller number to deal with, right? So 2 into 2 goes 1. 2 into 4 goes 2. Hence the answer we get is 1 over 2, or some people call it a half. So it is nice if you can find the highest common factor and deal with it same time. But if you cannot find the highest common factor, you look for any number that can be used and can be divided by the number without leaving a remainder. And that will take you to the answer. All you do is continue until it is to the lowest term where it cannot be divided again. Thank you for watching this video. If you enjoyed this video, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Thank you again.